Hello students, I am Hiran sir. I am going to teach you English grammar, chapter first, the sentence. Today we will start the study of what is called a sentence. So we know that a group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. You know, a sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. It's called a sentence. For example, India has won T20 World Cup. So it is making a complete sense. India has won the T20 World Cup. This sentence clearly a complete sense. So we may call it sentence. There are several fundamental things we have to remember to study a sentence. What are those fundamental things? Remember, first thing is a sentence always starts with capital letter. And second one, and assertive sentence ends with full stop. And the third thing, that an imperative sentence also ends with full stop. And fourth thing, when we in an interrogative sentence ends with question mark. And fifth thing is an exclamatory sentence ends with exclamation mark. And sixth thing is an optative sentence also ends with mark of exclamation. So these are the fundamental things we have to study about the sentence. Now we will study about how many kinds of sentence are there. So kinds of sentences. We know that sentences are five kinds. Sentences are five kinds. What are five kinds of sentences? First is assertive or declarative sentence. Second one is interrogative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence. Fourth one is exclamatory sentence. And fifth one is interrogative sentence. So we will write and second one is imperative sentence, and fourth kind is third kind is interrogative sentence, and fourth kind is optative sentence. And fifth kind is exclamatory sentence. Now we will study deeply about these sentences. What are these sentences and what are the signification of these sentences? First one is assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence which make an statement. A sentence which make and statement is called an assertive or declarative sentence. The assertive sentence or declarative sentence are two types. They are affirmative and negative. First, affirmative. And second, negative. Affirmative. He goes to school daily. And for negative, we do not come late. And also, we have to know about an assertive sentence always ends with full stop. We have to always remember this point that an assertive sentence always ends with full stop. Now, we will study about second kind of sentence. That is what is an imperative sentence? A sentence that expresses an advice, an order, a command, request, or forbidding. It is called an imperative sentence. Forbidding is called an imperative sentence. Simply, we see that a sentence that expresses an advice, an order, command, request, or forbidding is called an imperative sentence. For example, do my favor, please. Do my favor, please. Simply we see that it is an request. And second one, bring your notebook. Simply we will see that it is an order. wake up early in the morning. Simply we see that it is an advice. And the fourth one is don't pluck the flower. Don't pluck the flower. Simply we see that it is already. So simply we see that an imperative sentence always ends with full stop. Now we will study about third kind of sentence. Interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks question or makes an inquiry is called interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks questions or make an inquiry is called an interrogative sentence. And interrogative sentence are also two kinds. And you know there are simple interrogative and double interrogative. Simple interrogative sentence always begin with the helping word, and the sentence in which question words come in between the sentence that are called double interrogative sentence. It is simple interrogative and double interrogative. Simple interrogative. Can you go to a road? And double interrogative. Why are you eating? Simply we see that double interrogative sentence begin with question words, and simple interrogative sentence begin with the helping word. Now we shall study about fourth kind of sentence. What is an exclamatory sentence? A sentence that expresses a strong feeling or surprise. They are called exclamatory sentence. And we have to also know that an exclamatory sentence always ends with a mark of exclamation. And as an example, Woodruff, we have all the words. Lost my cousin brother. On. So where there is strong feeling or emotions, therefore exclamatory sentence. Now we will study about fifth kind of sentence. Sentence that expresses a wish is called objective sentence. And simply we know that an objective sentence also ends with mark of exclamation. For example, may he come to his senses. And second one, may God bless us all. So simply we see that there is blessing or simple wish in these sentences. So we will call it objective sentence. So we have more study about a sentence in our next video. Thank you, students.